Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a topic Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a pretty simple process. It is a time management framework that will improve your focus and productivity. It encourages you to work within the time you have rather than struggle against it. Pomodoro working styles. It creates a sense of accomplishments by doing nothing more than working in 25 minutes blocks called Pomodoro session, followed by 5 minutes break. Frequent breaks were found to be boost your productivity and ability. Pomodoro technique proves useful among students wishing to study more effectively, freelancers wanting to track time, or anyone looking to improve their focus and productivity at work or in their personal projects. Pomodoro means tomato in Italian. The technique was developed by a Francesco Cirillo, a university student who at a time used a tomato timer to measure his study session. These 25 minutes intervals become known as Pomodoro. What are the steps? Number 1. Choose a task. Work project, university assignment, reading session, or anything you would like to work on minutes distractions. Number 2. Focus. Silence your phone and switch off all the notifications. Learning how to manage distraction is one of the key skills and Pomodoro technique will teach you. Third, work. Start the 25 minutes timer and get into work. When using the Pomodoro techniques, there is no concept of pause. Work until the timer rings. Fourth, short break. Session complete. Well done. Step away from your desk for 25 minutes or less if you prefer to have a shorter breaks. Clear your mind, stretch your legs and grab the refreshment. Fifth, repeat. Start the timer again for another session. 6. Long break. After your fourth session, takes 20-minute break and come back refresh. What's the secret behind this technique? Number 1. Frequent breaks makes you more productive. Break makes you more relaxed and help fight boredom, which is in turn helps you to stay focused for longer. This also helps your prefrontal cortex (PFC), which is the thinking part of your brain that helps with the logical thinking, willpower, impulses, and execute functioning. Number 2. Challenge procrastination. Procrastination statistics shows that over 20% of the people procrastinate. The hardest thing is to start, and the Pomodoro technique does this. It can push you to start working on the task one step at a time. Reduce distractions. The Pomodoro technique helps to train your brain to ignore distractions. By getting used to working in Pomodoro session, work break pattern, You will train your brain to stop checking notifications and view them as a reward that you can check once you complete a certain amount of work. Number 4. Train your focus. People have short attention span. You can train your concentration by focusing on your Pomodoro section. This prevents you from multitasking and undermining your efficiency. Fifth, calm the perfectionist inside you. We may all sometimes get the feeling of getting your work done in the most perfect way possible. Perfectionism can significantly affect your productivity, reducing our focus. The Pomodoro technique helps you to fight this by focusing on the doing. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. If you like the contents of the video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.